This is the easiest way to achieve the most beautiful spiral technique, just like a pro. So let's get started. I start off with one flower and I imagine an axis, the point being right where I hold the flower. I position the second flower at a 45-degree angle and I keep going the same way, 45-degree angle. I turn my bouquet around slightly and I position the fourth flower. And every time I have a hole, I twist my bouquet around and I fill in that hole with the new flower, keeping the same angle. I turn my bouquet around and I position my flower at a 45-degree angle, just like that. And I keep going. I turn my bouquet around and I position my flower at a 45-degree angle. You always need to keep the same angle. Your flower heads need to point upwards and the stems downwards. Just like that. You always keep your 45-degree angle. Every time you have a hole, you turn your bouquet around and you fill in that hole with the new flower. You can exaggerate the angle before positioning the flower. If you're a beginner, it's going to be much easier for you. Again, okay, you exaggerate the angle and you position your flower at a 45-degree angle. Just like that. Every time you have a hole, you turn your bouquet around and you fill in that hole with a new flower at a 45-degree angle. This is the easiest way to achieve a beautiful spiral technique. You will never make any mistakes if you apply this technique step by step. The key here is to point your flowers to the same direction. So your flowers need to point upwards and the stems downwards, all in the same direction, and you will create the most beautiful spiral technique. We're almost done, and look how gorgeous this looks. You can use the spiral technique for any bouquet that you make for a beautiful, elegant, and professional finish.